Hello everyone, in this video we'll be looking at question number 6 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question again was a very easy question, came from the topic of linear relationships. So going to linear relationships, and this was from this linear equation subtopic. So question number 6. What you're given is an equation, and then what you're asked is that if the value of x increases by 5, what does it do to the value of y? So let's take this question out. So to solve this kind of question, we just choose a couple of numbers. So we want to know what is the value of y, say what is the value of y when x is equal to 1, and then we will ask ourselves what is the value of y when x is equal to increases by 5, right? So 1 plus 5, when x becomes 6, what is the value of y? And then we determine what is the difference between these values, and that would be your answer. So plugging in this, we've got this equation, y is equal to minus 1 minus 2x. So minus 1 minus 2 times 1 from here, that would give you minus 3. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 3. Now using 6, minus 1 minus 2 times 6, so that would give you minus 13. So that would be minus 13. So x has gone down from minus 3 to minus 13. So the difference is 10. So your answer would be D.